install new gaskets on her. New gaskets looking good on there. See how these actually come up and they're not flush like the other ones? Yeah. It's gonna seal properly now. I don't know where this plug goes yet, but it's pretty messed up. Corroded. The insulation is melted off of it. I just installed the fan from the bottom up because from the top I couldn't get it, and I had to loosen the same bolts I had already tightened that hold this bracket that holds your radiator. Had to loosen 2 on each side. Those 2 and then these 2 over here. And then I pushed the fan up here, and the fan just barely fits up in here. It was literally like shaving a little bit of the plastic off as I was pushing it upward on this right here. It was like shaving and scratching the fan. It's a mother. You guys already know. It's a pain, man. There you go, I got the fan in there. Got it sitting in those little slots down there. Alright, screw it in here. Sounds a lot better after it's been running a little bit. See the bubbles inside there? Getting all that air out. Coolant system. I hear something, a little squeak. Maybe one of the pulleys or something has rust or something. Maybe the belt. I'm squeaking a little bit. But the lifter sounds fine now after letting it run for a while. I don't hear the lifters anymore. Sounds real good. It's bubbling a lot. The coolant reservoir. It almost sounded like a firework going off. It was popping really loud. I hope one of these head gaskets isn't bad. It was literally like popping. Man, it's bubbling really bad. The temperature, not bad. Not overheating, not yet at least. Man, it's bubbling super bad. I don't like that at all. Damn, it's hot. There it goes again. Whoa. I'm gonna shut it off. Really high air pressure coming out of the reservoir. Damn. It's still not hot. Crazy. Started overheating again, making that popping sound. I'm thinking head gasket's probably bad. Letting the engine warm up a bit. It's still really cold. Good engine. Good head gaskets on this one. Might be a little residue from the bad engine of a little bit of contaminated tester in there. It is not turning yellow or like a transparent that it does when there is a combustion leak. It means like your head gasket is bad, or you got a cracked head or something. You see that color? Now let's go to a bad engine, bad head gasket. turned yellow.